If you were trying to decide whether a statement was true or false, you would use comparison operators. Let's look at an example. Is 5 greater than 2? Well, we can use logic to deduce that this is false. But so can a computer by using comparison operators, like this one here. Let's go ahead and echo out some results. Is 5 greater than 2? If we refresh, we'll get a 1, because that statement is true. Just like the arithmetic operators from the last video, we have our operator in the middle, performing an action on two operands, returning a result. It gives us feedback, a true value of 1. If we were to change this to be, is 5 less than 2? You'll see that you get a null string returned, because that's false. 5 isn't less than 2. And there's a whole combination, a whole collection of these comparison operators. For instance, the equality operator, to check whether 5 is equal to 2. And that's just two equal signs appended together. If we were to save and refresh this, we'll see that it's false. 5 doesn't equal 2. That's an incorrect statement. But 5 is equal to 5. So we get a 1. Now let's take a quick minute here to look at some interesting results. If we were to compare the value of 5 numerically to the value of the string 5, what result will we get? A 1. Well, that's pretty interesting, isn't it? Because even though these are different data types, their values are actually the same. PHP is able to deduce that the string 5 has the same value as the integer 5. But what if we don't want PHP to do that for us? What if we say that we want to check not only for equality in the values, but the same data type from the video we discussed before? We can use the identical operator, which is 3 equal signs appended together. So if we're to save and run this, we're going to get null string, because this statement is false. It's checking to see whether 5 not only has the same value, but also is of the same data type. There's a whole list of these comparison operators, and I'm going to leave the list in the description below this video.